and it's pretty disappointing. Yeah, pretty adventurous. We got a lot of stuff. Guys, welcome to another vlog. Like you guys know that I reached Amsterdam, and this is my first week in Amsterdam. Spent the last few days just getting rest and kind of getting used to the neighborhoods. Anand goes to work, so I have entire day to myself. This is of course until I find a job. But yeah, I think I've been getting enough sleep, getting a lot of rest, stocked up the kitchen because I'm pretty fussy about food. So yeah, I'm heading out in a bit with Anand, and the worst part is there's no mirror in this flat that we are in. I mean, there's no tall mirror, and I'm surviving without a tall mirror for a while now. The plan is to get one this week, so I'm kind of managing with whatever small mirrors we have. And there's this one mirror right here which doesn't reach my, and it's pretty disappointing. I really like this color that I'm wearing. This is by Lakme 9 to 5 Burgundy. It's a very warm tone red, which I really like. And also got my hands on the new On The Run Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. It has really good warm toned colors that I can use, and these 3 glitter colors. This one is for highlighter, and yeah, I've been using it for a while now. It's been very cold, in fact. So was last night. We had a good time walking around. I think since the time I got here, I and Anand didn't have the time to kind of go, leisurely walk around, do something fun, or even have dinner outside. We kind of locked ourselves outside the apartment, and we were waiting for someone to come help us out. Yeah, pretty adventurous.
Now, if it was long,
Hi guys, we are going to Albert Cup Market, Albert Cube Market. It's a local Amsterdam market, and one of the things that people suggest to do when you're in Amsterdam. How do you like it, Saurav? Just try it and give me a live update. Guys, we are going to IKEA. It says sit food cover. We got a lot of stuff. Just stopped on our way to see this beautiful view. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed my vlog. I don't kind of remember what all I have put because this entire week I haven't done much except for the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this piece of vlog, and if you really like my kind of content, please like and subscribe to this channel and spread the word, because I just love to share part of my life with you all through these vlogs. Love you a lot. Bye.